In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a product review in the best arcades alternative.
Okay, my hair was falling out a ton. I kept finding clumps in the shower. I grabbed this Pantene bamboo, and after 3 weeks, it falls out way less. Honestly obsessed.
The name of this platform is NovoAds AI, and as you can see, the prices are much cheaper. Actually, you can try the platform for just $1. For example, in Arcades AI, to try the platform, you have to pay $77. This is a lot, only for trying the platform. Actually, this is an offer for the first month. So the next month, you have to pay $110. In NovoAds, you can try the platform for just $1, and then the cheapest plan is $49 a month, not $110 a month. So now, to do the product review, you need to create, first of all, an account in NovoAds AI. And once you arrive here, to do videos, I prefer to first do an image and then creating a video. That way, we can be sure, more or less, how the video will be. As you can see here, I created this image, and with that image, I created this video. And the consistency was really good. So now let's go to the image section. Here, we need to click in settings. Now in model, I'm going to use GPT image 2, and in quality, I'm going to use the medium quality. This because it's much cheaper than the high quality, and that way we can do 3 images for the price of 1 image with a high quality. Now we have to click in reference and upload an image of our product. In this case, it's a shampoo Pantene. So let's upload an image of this product. And now I'm going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section, so you can copy and modify it as you want. So let's click here. And now we have to wait more or less 1 to 2 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the images, and now we have to choose the one we like the most. Personally, I like this one. So I'm going to click here where it says use as a start frame. And now we have to go to settings, and in model, I'm going to use Clink 3.0. This because it's my favorite. Now in the duration, I'm going to use 10 seconds. And finally, here where it says describe your video, I'm going to use the following prompt. And remember, this prompt is going to be in the comment section, and you can modify it as you want. Now let's click here, and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video, so now let's see it. Let me close this.
Okay, my hair was falling out a ton. I kept finding clumps in the shower. I grabbed this Pantene bamboo, and after 3 weeks, it falls out way less. Honestly obsessed.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the video. It looks realistic, the lip sync was really good. The consistency, as you can see, is really good. It's literally the same girl, as you can see. So, if you liked this video, remember that you can try the best arcades alternative for just $1. This is an offer that arcades don't have. Here, you need to pay $77. That is a lot, only for trying the platform. So, I recommend you to try it. And if you have any doubts, you can comment me in the comment section, and see you in the next video.